Hey everybody, welcome back. It's a nice day here in eastern Iowa. We're looking at a high, I think around 58 degrees. We had a nice hard frost this morning, and I think it's time to get this corn out of the garden here. We're going to cut down these ornamental stalks and some of the sweet corn, and then we're going to decorate around the house for fall time here. And we got some left. We'll take it up. We're going to have plenty left, but we'll take some over to my parents and my mother and father-in-law's house so they can decorate as well. So we're going to use the Mahindra today. It's kind of a wheelbarrow. Got the pallet forks in the front here, and I got some loppers that I'm gonna use to lop the corn off, and then we'll till all the stalks under with the tiller because I don't want to dig it all out, and there's no reason to do that. So sit back, have yourself a nice cold one, or if you're watching and in the morning time, get yourself a nice coffee. I prefer mine black with no creamer, no sugar. Sit back, relax, enjoy this short video. Like always, if you guys enjoy following along, hit that like button, give me that thumbs up for it. If you're not part of the YouTube family, subscribe to the channel if you feel so inclined and follow along. I'd appreciate it. If you guys want to get notifications of more videos like this along the way, hit that bell and it'll tell you when I post these videos so you can watch them right away.